What's up, everyone? So we're here at 3395 South Coast 101 in Yachats, Oregon, and we're going to take you through the property to see what you can get here on the coast in Yachats. Gated entrance, tons of parking, and you've got two massive garages. You've got an RV garage, single car garage, and another 2-car garage over there. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 square foot house. The kitchen boasts porcelain tile countertops, shaker style cabinets, GE appliances, and right attached is this wonderful open food pantry with sink and plenty of storage. And what would an Oregon Coast house tour look like without showing you what it's like to be out in the rain? Here it is, January, beautiful sunny day, clouds roll in, and it is coming down on me. I had to show you this 1/4-acre backyard with the private entrance to the beach. That's right there, look at the gate. Easy access to the beach. Take those walks, take your dogs for a walk, just go agate hunting, look at the sunsets. Whatever you want to do here on the Oregon coast, you can, when it's a clear day, 180-degree panoramic views of the ocean. And this is what you're going to get here on the Oregon coast, just north of Yachats. Thanks for watching.